What is your name?
My name is Ali.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
What time is it now?
It is 5 o'clock.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am free.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is very hot.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is there.
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my keys.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Is your work finished?
Yes, it is finished.
Do you want some help?
Yes, that would be nice.
Are we late?
No, we are on time.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, but it's on silent mode.
Is your phone switched on?
Yes, but it's on silent mode.
Did you bring your charger?
Yes, it's also in my bag.
Where is your phone?
My phone is in my bag.
Do we need anything else?
Yes, we also need eggs and bread.
Where can we buy milk?
We can buy milk at the supermarket.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, just a bag. Thank you.
Where should I carry it to?
Please take it to the car.
Is your bag too heavy?
Yes, it's a bit heavy for me.
How can I help you?
You can help me with my bag.
Where is the store located?
It's on Main Street near the bank.
Did he ask you for it?
Yes, he asked me this morning.
Which book does he want?
He wants a storybook.
What does he want?
He wants a book.
Does it rain often here?
Yes, it rains quite often.
When does it rain?
It rains in the evening.
Do you play well?
Yes, I play very well.
How long do you play?
I play for about 2 hours.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
When do you play soccer?
I play every weekend.
Where do you play soccer?
I play in the park.
What is her favorite dessert?
Her favorite dessert is ice cream.
Where does she usually eat?
She eats at home most of the time.
Does she like spicy food?
No, she prefers mild food.
What does she drink with her meals?
She drinks orange juice.
What does she like to eat?
She likes pasta.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the park.
When shall we meet?
Maybe in the afternoon.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, that sounds nice.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I don't have any plans.
How long will she take?
She will take 10 minutes.
Who are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
Should I bring anything?
Just your jacket or a bag.
When are we leaving?
In a few minutes, I think.
Do you want to come along?
Of course, I really do.
Who's coming with us?
I am coming too.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I am coming with you.
Have you cleaned your room?
No, it's still very messy.
Did you lose your wallet?
Yes, I lost it yesterday.
May I use your laptop?
Sorry, it's not working properly.
Can you swim very fast?
Yes, I can swim quickly.
Will you dance with me?
Yes, I would love to dance.
Would you marry a stranger?
No, I wouldn't do that.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please help me.
Have you met her parents?
No, I haven't met them yet.
Did you watch that movie?
Yes, I watched it last night.
May I borrow your pen?
Yes, you may borrow my pen.
Shall we leave now?
No, let's wait a little longer.